In this video, I'll show you how you can export a video in CapCut for Instagram Reels. So first, you need to go ahead and import your video and drag it on the timeline. If it's not already in Instagram Reel format, you need to go to Ratio and change it from the original format to 9:16. This will be the format you will use for Instagram Reels. Now, you may need to click on your clip, go to the video section, go to the basic tab and increase the scale to obviously fill the screen. You can also move this around when necessary. Once you've created your video, go to export in the top right hand corner. Once this window opens, you can then enter in a name, so I can call this Insta Reel. You can then go ahead and choose a location. I'm going to keep it on my downloads, but you can choose any file location. Now you're going to need to make sure that your video resolution is set to whatever resolution your video is in. Mine is 1080p, but you can upscale it to 4K, although I wouldn't recommend it if you haven't shot in 4K already. Then make sure the codec is on H.264 for any online video. Put the bitrate as high as it can go. Format MP4, frame rate at 30 FPS. Again, if you shot in 60 FPS, you can change it. Make sure then, if you want audio, to keep this checked. If it's unchecked by default, you do need to check it. And then my audio format is MP3. Then you can go ahead and export, and what it's going to do, it's going to export your video to that folder, and then from here you can go ahead and click on open folder or just open it throughout your file explorer. Here it's going to create a folder with an MP4 file, which is going to be your video. You've got a GIF and you've got an MP3 file, which is going to be your audio separate. If you double click on your MP4 file, here you can see your Instagram Reel video. So here it is, and then what we can do from here is upload it to Insta Reels. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comments if it was.